Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a recipe. I'm going to be making a chicken flautas. In front of me, I have all the ingredients. I have my shredded lettuce. I have my sour cream, of course, the daisy sour cream. I have salsa that I previously made yesterday. And then I also have some tomatoes, an onion, my garlic powder, salt and pepper. Then I have my Knorr caldo de pollo, and then I have the beef one. Of course, I also have my cheese, and then you cannot forget your tortillas, your corn tortillas. And right now I'm actually in the process of boiling my chicken breast. I went ahead and boiled 6 pieces of full chicken breast, and I just went ahead and dumped garlic powder into it. I mean, you really can't see the chicken, but it's in there boiling. So when it's ready, boiled and everything, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna place it on my cutting board, and I'm gonna be chopping it up into little pieces. Okay, so my chicken is done. I went ahead and took it out of the pot. I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna be chopping up my tomatoes and onions so that we can put our spices and our chicken, and we're gonna let that fry on top of the stove. I'm gonna be chopping up my tomatoes. Grabbing my chicken, and I'm gonna shred it into pieces. And I already put some garlic and onion. I'm going to be pouring in my shredded chicken. And then we're gonna be putting our spices on there. I'm gonna be putting un caldo de pollo Knorr. And then I'm gonna take my beef one. I'm gonna take some salt and pepper. Some garlic powder. And I'm gonna let the chicken cook in the spices. And then from here, we're gonna be making our tortillas. We're gonna be wrapping the chicken in the tortilla so that we could start frying them. So I went ahead and I threw in 2 tortillas at a time. I'm gonna just leave them there for a couple of seconds, and I'm gonna be taking them out. I'm gonna repeating the process, counting up to how many flautas I'm going to be making, and then after this, that I let them in the oil for a couple of seconds, I'm gonna be wrapping up, putting the chicken in the middle, and then wrapping them up, and then putting them back in the oil to cook. So I went ahead and I already took out my tortillas. I just left it in the oil for a couple of seconds. I'm gonna be grabbing my chicken and rolling them up. So now I'm going to be taking my flautas and I'm going to be putting them in oil. We're going to let them crisp up and turn a little bit brown. So I'm going to be placing my tacos in here. Put your fire on low heat if you are using a gas stove. I'm gonna be cooking them until they turn brown. Not brown where you're burning it, no, just until it's a little bit fried on all sides. So I'm gonna be repeating the process until I'm all done with all my flautas. So I already went ahead and took out my flautas from the oil. Now we're gonna be putting sour cream on top. Putting some sour cream on top. I'm hungry, guys. I love sour cream. Now I'm gonna be taking my shredded lettuce. Placing it on top. Some tomato and onions. Some cheese. And then I'm going to be putting the salsa on top. And there you go, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification if you do not have them on, so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. And we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.